Hello guys, welcome to my new vlog. How is everyone doing? How are you?
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
Hello guys, welcome to my first official vlog. तो जो लोग मुझे नहीं जानते हैं, my name is Om and मैं पुणे महाराष्ट्र से हूँ and I'm currently studying engineering in Australia. So I'm an international student. I decided to vlog this last night, saying a day in the life of a university student, and I thought it's the best opportunity to show you guys about my work life, student life, how I manage my time and everything. So stay tuned and I'll show you everything. So almost every day, my day starts at around 7:30 a.m. in the morning. After which I complete all my morning routine activities and have a cup of coffee. Then I head straight to work. So where I work is I work in the student union at the University of Queensland, which is a student-led initiative. And basically हम लोग सारे बच्चों को help करते हैं to you know give them what they want, or all the food or groceries or discounted products at the store. So usually I work at the store, but I also do a lot of drop offs as at different campuses, which I'm about to do now, and I'm pretty late, so I'll see you in the car. Okay. So basically, the University of Queensland has three campuses in Brisbane itself. One of them is the St. Lucia campus, जहाँ पे मैं पढ़ता हूँ. वहाँ पे ऑलमोस्ट सारे डिसिप्लिन्स हैं विच इंक्लूड engineering, architecture, business, health, etc. etc. And the other campus is the Hurston campus, जहाँ पे mostly dentistry पढ़ाई जाती है. And the third campus is Catton, जहाँ पे agriculture पढ़ाया जाता है. So Gatton is a bit far from Brisbane. Baki Hurston and St. Lucia are in Brisbane itself. Gatton is around 100 kilometers from here, which is a bit of countryside. क्योंकि वहाँ पे एग्रीकल्चर पढ़ाया जाता है तो वहाँ पे लैंड एरिया ज़्यादा है तो फॉर स्टूडेंट्स टू एक्सपेरिमेंट एंड कंडक्ट देयर एनालिसिस. तो अभी मैं वही जा रहा हूँ टू ड्रॉप ऑफ सम स्टफ. सो बेसिकली द थिंग इज because uni life is so hectic and students don't really have a lot of time to cook stuff or make their meals, we provide them with frozen meals as an union initiative, and many more groceries like, let's say, daily
अबे जल्दी बोल, कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है.
daily use stuff which we provide to them. So I'm heading to Gatton now, and it is a very beautiful drive, very beautiful drive. I will show you on the way. So hope you enjoy it. So I've taken a quick stop here to refuel because it's not safe to vlog while I drive. So I might just show you here. So basically, this is the car that I drive. It's a Ute, a Toyota Hilux. And मैं बस दिखा देता हूँ आपको कि क्या stuff मैं लेके जा रहा हूँ आज. बहुत mess है guys. So basically, these are all the groceries. Those are the frozen meals. And yep, that's about it. I've covered over 60 kilometers now. Another 45 kilometers to go. I'm trying to show as much as I can, which is safe again. But hope you guys enjoy it. Wait, is that a fighter jet? Yes, it is. So, guys, it's my first video, and I already have a collaboration with another YouTuber. Meet Jeffrey.
Hi there.
How are you, Jeffrey, today?
I'm good. Good. Yeah, we're actually got a caravan that goes with our Tesla.
Oh yeah, he has a self-driving Tesla and a caravan, and he's exploring across Australia. Is it right?
Well, we're going up to Toowoomba today for a couple of nights just for the Carnival of Flowers.
Oh,
to
lovely.
see
That's
to see
great.
the city.
Yeah.
We just recently did a 3,500 kilometre trip to Sydney and Albury.
Oh,
and back
really?
Again.
That's amazing.
That was quite a treat with the caravan. So.
Oh, that's great. That's
Mm.
great. Do you have any tips for me as a new YouTuber starting now?
Oh, look, I don't know. As I say, just get everything.
Right.
And you can always edit it out later on.
Oh yeah, 100%. And guys, he's got a really good setup. Look at his camera. That's crazy. It was lovely meeting you, Jeffrey.
Good.
So basically, the reason that I have been working in the union for such a long time is firstly because it is very feasible because I am almost on the campus every day for my classes and everything. So it's very easy to manage my job and my studies at the same time. And the union also understands that I'm a full time student. So they give me shifts according to my class timetable और सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट पैसा
पैसा ही पैसा होगा
काफी अच्छा पे करते हैं to the students here when you work at the union. And plus, the biggest part that is there is I love driving and I get to drive around Brisbane to do deliveries, which helps me explore Brisbane a lot and spend my time driving, which is my hobby also. I love going to Gatton because Gatton is a very, it's a calm campus. It is away from the city life. I cannot live there, of course, because वहाँ पे कुछ है ही नहीं, basically खाली जगह है वो है. पर वो बहुत beautiful है. It's surrounded by trees. The drive is very nice, and basically I get paid to drive around, which is what anyone would want. But of course, I will also tell you about my journey because I've been in Brisbane for the last 4 years now, and I've done quite a few jobs before I got into this one. So I'll tell you about it as I vlog. I'm a bit camera conscious now because it's been a long time that I've vlogged. मेरा पहला vlog मैंने 10 महीने ट्रिप का डाला था, उसके बाकी के दिन नहीं डाले, I know, but I will try to be more consistent now. ड्राइव पे है तो दिलजीत तो बजना ही चाहिए.
की साडी अगे आ पछाण पतलो सर्कल छोड़ा गलबात वड्डी है एक पिछे लगदियां 7 जीरोआं ऐडे मोले वाली जट कोल गड्डी है सांझा वाला नाम दिला उत्ते लिखिया खासा जोर लग जू मटाउण वास्ते पैसे पूसे बारे बिल्लो सोचे दुनिया जट पैदा होया बस छाउण वास्ते पैसे पूसे बारे बिल्लो सोचे दुनिया जट पैदा होया बस छाउण वास्ते.
So I've reached the Gatton campus now. I'll mostly go unload this stuff and talk to the union representative that is here. पता नहीं क्यों दोस्तों के साथ होता है तो हिंदी में व्लॉग होता है, लेकिन अकेले होता अंग्रेजी क्यों झाड़ने लगे तो समझ ही नहीं आता मेरे को. बट कोई ना, अभी I'll go वापस I'll go unload this and show you around the Gatton campus. So I think this is the main building of the Gatton campus, and this is like their main great court. We also have a similar great court at the St. Lucia campus. पर पता नहीं Gatton बहुत सुंदर है. Like this is way better than the great court that we have at St. Lucia. I mean obviously this is countryside, so they've got to keep the nature maintained, and I think that is the cafe that they have there. I will also show you the UQ St. Lucia campus one day if I keep consistently vlogging obviously. But आज के लिए तो देख लो. I think it's time to head back now. आते वक्त मैंने एक food mall देखा था on the motorway, so I think I might just stop there for some food. Now the biggest problem is बीइंग अ वेजिटेरियन यहाँ पे ज़्यादा ऑप्शन है नहीं, सिर्फ तो एक है सबवे, दूसरा है हंगरी जैक्स, तो और कोई चॉइस नहीं है। भूख तो बहुत लगी है, सुबह सिर्फ कॉफ़ी पी थी। सो लेट्स गेट समथिंग टू ईट। आई डू हैव अ प्रोटीन बार विथ मी एज वेल। या लेट्स गेट बैक ऑन द रोड कॉज मेरा क्लास है अराउंड 3 बजे, तो मुझे उससे पहले वहाँ पे पहुँचना है। So I've decided to take a little detour because I just saw on the map that there's a good Cunningham Crest lookout that is up here. So I was like, because I'm close by and I have a little, not really, I don't have time, but I was like, why not check it out? So I'm just going there now. It's about 10 minutes. So I've reached the lookout point. 15 मिनट दिखा रहा था, बहुत टाइम लग गया भाई। पर कोई ना, I hope it's worth it. This is the best part about the job. You have the car, you can go wherever you want after your job's done, obviously. Because public transport पे ये सारी जगह explore करना बहुत difficult है. Look how beautiful it is, guys. Like you can just come here, chill for a while. I'm not gonna spend a lot of time here कि boss का call हो गया तो लग जाएंगे, इसलिए let's quickly head out. I just got back to the uni. Let's have lunch and I'll see you in class. थोड़ा सा पढ़ाई का नाटक करने के बाद अब सच्ची क्लास जाने का टाइम आ चुका है। So guys, these are my classmates from the business management course. Go ahead and introduce yourself.
Hello, I'm Luke. I'm from course. I'm here
Yeah, this is Daniel.
My name's
And
Dick.
one of our third dickhead, Chris is on you today. Boys, the class is done, boys. Finally. Fuck off. What are you doing? Yeah. Yeah.
It's just bullshit.
No, it's not. It's all HR terminology. Let me tell you that.
So you're telling me
Yeah.
looking through the lens is HR terminology?
Not looking, changing your lens.
Changing your lens.
Change
Looking
your.
from another perspective.
Looking from another perspective is what life is about.
Because life is shit.
Anything I said, there was nothing wrong in it. Tell me one line that was wrong in it.
Yeah, you're motivational. He looked really motivated
Trust
by
me,
the end of it.
he's got to get the highest mark with my speech.
Crazy.
Life is like this. I like
Alright,
this.
stop it. You're not Harvey.
Just getting inspired from him, bro. Finally, घर पहुंच गए guys. थक गया आज तो, बहुत ही ज़्यादा लंबा दिन था. Day in the life of a uni student नहीं है, month in the life of a uni student हो जाएगा. काफ़ी लंबा दिन है. मैं जाके कुछ खाना बनाने वाला हूँ. That's it. I'm gonna go to sleep. कोई घर पे है क्या? कोई नहीं गाइस. आपको हाउस टूर दूंगा मैं, पर आज नहीं, कभी और. बाय बाय.